Welcome back to Auto Gear Hub, your one-stop destination for the latest in automotive trends and reviews. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting compact cars of 2025, the Opel Corsa. This iconic hatchback has undergone some remarkable updates this year, and we're here to break it all down for you, from its stylish exterior to its upgraded interior, performance, and pricing. We've got it all covered. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Opel Corsa comes with a bold and refreshed design that strikes a perfect balance between sportiness and sophistication. At first glance, you'll notice its sleek, aerodynamic profile, which not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to better fuel efficiency. The redesigned front grille is more prominent and now features Opel's new branding, giving it a more modern and upscale look. The LED matrix headlights are sharp and precise, ensuring optimal visibility during night drives while also adding to the car's aggressive character. Moving along the sides, the sculpted lines and dynamic contours make the Corsa look energetic and ready to take on the road. To complete the package, the rear features stylish LED taillights and a subtle spoiler that adds a sporty touch. Buyers can also choose from a variety of vibrant new color options, making it easy to find a version that suits your personality. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2025 Opel Corsa is a testament to modern design and cutting-edge technology. Opel has focused on creating a driver-centric cabin with premium materials and intuitive controls. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making both short commutes and long journeys enjoyable. Soft-touch materials and metallic accents are present throughout the cabin, giving it a refined look and feel that you wouldn't typically expect in this segment. The centerpiece of the interior is the new 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which comes equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Opel's advanced navigation software. The system is quick to respond and easy to use, ensuring you stay connected and entertained on the go. In addition to the main screen, the digital driver display provides essential information in a customizable layout. Practicality is another area where the Corsa shines. There's plenty of storage space throughout the cabin, and the rear seats offer decent legroom and headroom for a compact car. The boot space is generous, making it perfect for everyday use or weekend getaways. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Opel Corsa is available with a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The base model features a 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine, delivering a solid balance of power and efficiency. For those looking for an extra punch, there's a more powerful version of the same engine, offering a lively driving experience with smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Opel has also introduced an all-electric version of the Corsa, which is perfect for eco-conscious buyers. The electric variant boasts an impressive range of up to 250 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for both city driving and longer trips. Thanks to the car's lightweight construction and optimized suspension system, the Corsa feels agile and composed on the road, providing a fun and confident driving experience. Safety has also been prioritized in the 2025 Opel Corsa. The car comes equipped with a host of advanced safety features, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree parking camera. These features ensure that you and your passengers stay safe, whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on a highway. Finally, let's discuss pricing. The 2025 Opel Corsa starts at a competitive price point, with the base petrol model priced at around $22,000. The electric version is slightly higher, starting at approximately $29,000, but it's worth every penny considering its zero-emission credentials and lower running costs. Optional features and trim levels allow buyers to customize their Corsa to fit their budget and needs. The 2025 Opel Corsa proves that compact cars don't have to compromise on style, comfort, or technology. It's a well-rounded package that caters to a wide range of drivers, from first-time car owners to seasoned enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a versatile and modern hatchback, the Opel Corsa should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Auto Gear Hub. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.